The battle over redistricting goes back to court.
That's because the legislature doesn't stop. We would like them to represent us, the voters.
I'm Ben Winslow at the Matheson Courthouse. Lawyers for the League of Women Voters and Mormon Women for Ethical Government went back to court asking the judge to block a new law that the legislature passed, rewriting some of the rules of redistricting.
The reason we're back today is that the legislature has done, in effect, the same thing again.
Lawyers for the plaintiffs argue that lawmakers are making another end run around Proposition 4, the citizen ballot initiative for independent redistricting that the courts have upheld. The legislature passed a bill in last month's special session imposing a series of tests to determine what maps are fair.
They put the statute essentially at war with itself, and they mandate the very partisan favoritism that Prop 4 prohibits.
The legislature has every reason to think that it has done what it was supposed to do.
But lawyers for the legislature argue they're complying with the court's rulings on Prop 4, and it had some bipartisan input.
By limiting and restricting it and only choosing a couple that provides only specific information, is that really complying with the statutory requirement that we consider the best available data and scientific and statistical methods?
I think our answer is yes, Your Honor.
The judge took the injunction request under advisement. The plaintiffs say what they want is what voters approved in Proposition 4.
In the beginning, this has been a broad effort by a swath of cross-partisan Utahns to try to get fair maps in place. So this is just the next step.
Now, the judge has until November 10th to choose a new map that represents your congressional boundaries. One thing has changed. The Utah Republican Party has switched tactics in its efforts to undo Proposition 4 by pursuing its own citizen ballot initiative. On Monday night, they held legally required public hearings, and this is some of the feedback they got.
I'm just tired of the dirty tricks.
It is time for the will of the people to be exercised, which was clearly stated in the vote for the amendment for Proposition 4.
I'm opposed to this.
I am vehemently opposed to this.
I'm dismayed, embarrassed at what I see as the actions of this party.
Yeah, gerrymandering, bad. Leave it at that.
The way the Constitution's written, the power here is with our legislature. So I feel like I don't want to hit the chaotic, slippery slope.
There are a lot of unanswered questions for me.
Now, if they successfully gather enough signatures, it would go before you, the voter, on the 2026 ballot. At the Matheson Courthouse, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.